Well, hello everyone. It's Shanti Titus here with Profit Month Financial Services. I hope that you're having an amazing day. Today, I want to talk specifically to Texas business owners who serve alcoholic beverages. Each and every month, there are 5 forms that need to be filed for your business and locations. So if you own an event venue where you're serving alcohol, so like if you have wedding venues or party venues or rentals and you serve alcohol there, you are going to need to do this. Specifically, if you should have your Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission permit number. All right. So for nightclub owners, event venues, for margarita and daiquiri shops, all of this information and knowledge, it applies to you. There are 5 forms, once again, that need to be filed every month. For these forms that I'm going to go over today, they are due on the 20th of the following month. So what does that mean? So for the month of April, all of the sales that happened and occurred, all of the activity of alcoholic beverage sales, it needs to be filed on May the 20th, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. Okay, so one of the forms that you're going to need to complete is a Texas Mixed Beverage Gross Receipts Report. This has a supplemental report that feeds into this form. And then you're also going to need to do the Texas Mixed Beverage Sales Tax Report. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the Texas Mixed Beverage Gross Receipts Tax Report. All right, before you do this form, you're going to actually do the supplemental report, which is the Texas Mixed Beverage Gross Receipts Tax Report. All right, so let's do a quick rundown and see what needs to be done. Okay, you're going to have your Texas Comptroller, your taxpayer number. This is your business's taxpayer number that was issued to you by the comptroller. The filing period is going to be the month and the year here, and the due date, which is going to be on the 20th, right? So if it's April 2022, April would go here. The due date would be May the 20th, 2022 would go here. Taxpayer name, the name of the business that owns the particular permit, right? So one business can have different locations with a TABC number, okay? So we have then you're going to put your TABC number, which is the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission permit number. It goes here. Your business location, the address, and the location number is issued by the comptroller. If you don't know what this number is, the instructions say that you can actually leave this blank. But if I were you, I would definitely don't let that go too far as filing periods being blank, okay? The next thing you're going to do here, because this form feeds into this form, okay? I'm going to tell you this. It is vital and crucial that you have an amazing POS system, your point of sale system. Make sure that it's keeping accurate records for you. When you keep doing, when your business starts growing, you can no longer, just do this on a spreadsheet. You need something that's going to update in real time and that's going to calculate the sales tax for you. Make sure your POS system is equipped to do that. Okay. So, all right. So you're going to have your TABC number here, your permit number, the address. We did that. The dollar amount of the complimentary drinks for this location. So make sure that you're also keeping up with your complimentary drinks, okay? All right, and then the gross sales of liquor for this location is going to go here. So as you can see, you have the liquor, the gross sales of the wine, the gross sales of the beer, and then the gross cover charges, subject to gross receipts tax, not subjected to sales tax. Okay, that's very crucial and important. So your POS system should be programmed to where it's taking the gross receipts tax and not sales tax on here. And then your total gross taxable amount for this location. So pretty much you're going to add number 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of that is going to be for this one location. Okay. So let's say I'm going to use pick on Fuzzy's Taco Shop. My husband and I, went there recently and we had like a margarita, right? So if I am a franchise owner and I own 10 Fuzzy's Taco Shops, I'm going to do a number of these. So this is let's say this is the location that's in Arlington. This will be the location that's in, let's see, I think there's one in Irving. I don't know if it's one in Irving or not, but I think there is. There's one in Grand Prairie. So this is one, let's say Grand Prairie is here. So we have the TABC number, the location, the address, how much money went here for the complimentary drinks for the location, how much liquor, how much wine, how much beer. Liquor would be its own line item. Wine would be its own line item. Beer would be its own line item, okay? And then the cover charges, if it's a restaurant, they're not going to have any cover charges. That's normally for nightclubs. You're going to add all these together, put them on line 6. The next location, you're going to do the exact same thing. So you're going to record the totals for this page, okay? So the total for item number 2. So you're going to go through here. This is going to be the total of all of the number 2s on this page. This is going to be a total of all the number 3s, which is wine. All the number 4s, which is malt liquor, is going to go here. And all of the number 5s are going to go here. All right. I don't know if this is a self-calculating form, but let me see if it is. I'm going to check it out, see if it adds it up, and it doesn't. And this is best to do on e-file and not by hand. However, if you don't have your e-file set up, do not allow that to be the reason that you're late. So as you can see, that's how you're going to break it down. You're going to start off with this form first. This is the form 67101, the Texas Mixed Beverage Gross Receipts Tax Report. And the reason why you're going to do this first is because you're going to use these numbers to do this form, okay? So this is the Texas Mixed Beverage Gross Receipts Tax Report, which is 67100, all right? Your comptroller number is going to go here. Your month ending date is going to go here. So it'll be April the 30th, 2022, and it's due on May the 20th, 2022. Your name and address go here. Then also, if you no longer are in business or your business name location has changed, you do the instructions on the back of this form. All right. And then what you're going to do is pretty much put the number here, the TABC number, location and everything. And then you're going to put the gross amount just for that particular one, for that location, any complimentary drinks. So this is just going to be for one of those. And then you're going to put the total gross sales of liquor from all locations. So this is actually going to go on, this is coming from the 67101, which is what I told you you're going to do first. That's going to be coming from the bottom form of the form right here. So number 2, you're going to take this number right here, which is the total amount of liquor for all locations, and it's going to be placed here. Okay? And then you're just going to keep going all the way across. So the next one is the number 3, which is number 3 is wine. So you're going to take that here and you're going to put it on to the wine location. Okay. And that is pretty much it. And you're going to sign and complete that. So you're going to need one of these, as a breakdown that has a breakdown on there. If you only have one location, then you will just need to complete this one. When you have multiple locations, that's when you're going to have to do more than one of these. And the next form that you have to do is the Texas Mixed Beverage Sales Tax Report, which you're going to have all the TABC numbers, all of the locations, and you're going to put in the total mixed beverage sales, the location number, and you're also going to do the total mixed beverage taxable sales here. Once again, filing period will be April the 30th, 2022, and then will be actually the 1st because, it's pretty much going through that whole month, April 2022, and then the due date is going to be May the 20th. All of that information is going to go here where you're going to add the total of the mixed beverage sales for like everything all together, okay? And this one has a supplement as well. There's a different form that has to be filed each and every month if you're serving alcohol in the state of Texas. Once again, this is revenue for the state of Texas, so it needs to be filed on time. Otherwise, you will incur a penalty. So definitely avoid those penalties. If you need assistance in relation to accounting, once again, you need to have a good POS system, and then make sure that your items are coded to automatically calculate sales tax and mixed beverage tax. All right, because that's going to make your accounting, your tax filings awesome and easy and a little bit less stressful, because literally you can just print out a report and you can do that. All right. Until next time, stay profitable and stay great. If you know of anyone that needs assistance, that has a business that serves alcoholic beverages, please share this with them. You can give us a call if you would like a consultation, or if you don't want to, be handling this and you need some assistance, we can definitely assist you with that so you can focus on your business. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.